Trust me, you guys. I know how shocked you are that I am having my caramel premiere. This stuff I actually haven't had. I haven't had this in a few days. So what I do is I will actually link exactly how I make this in the cards above. But I just do about 4 ounces of black coffee. You can use espresso too, and then just a caramel premiere. This one is my favorite. I have tried vanilla and cookies and cream and chocolate, but this one is still my favorite. I'm having this right now, and I am a little hungry, so I'm gonna have a string cheese. This is 2 points, and the coffee is 2 points. This is just, I got this at Walmart. It's just peppered cheese. So yeah, I will check back in with you when I eat again. You guys, this is literally all that's left. So I'm gonna have this big piece, Jason can have this piece, and then he's gonna have some leftovers too. But yeah, so I'm just gonna take all these off and then just fill them with more chocolate chips. Okay, you guys, there is my bake. And there is Indy. Hello, beautiful. This is so good. 7 points, I believe, because of the chocolate chips, but it's so good. You can't have chocolate, love. And then I'm just going to be drinking water and my Alani Nu drink. If you guys want to know how to make this, I will link above in the cards, or you can go check it out when you're done watching this. It's super easy, super delicious, and I'm so hungry. I cannot wait to eat this. You guys, so I am going to make some dinner. I'm going to make some 6-point lo mein. This is an 8-serving meal, so you're gonna need some noodles. These ones here are 200 calories per serving, or 6 points per serving. This is the lo mein powder I'm gonna be using. You're gonna need chicken, an egg, 2 eggs actually. This is how much of the onion I used, some soy sauce, and then this is the vegetables I'll be using. For here, I have already cooked and cut up the chicken. I have the onion and the carrots in here, and then I'm gonna turn this up, and we're going to get this boiling again. I'm gonna add vegetables and then the lo mein seasoning. Okay, and then I want you guys to know that how I cooked the chicken was I boiled it. So I used a lot of water, and then I added the carrots, the shredded carrots, and the onions, boiled them, and I haven't added any seasoning yet. What I did here, sorry for the noise, the noodles are boiling, was I put the sauce pack in about 3/4 cup of water right here. And now I'm just gonna add this right into the chicken mixture. Whew. I turned it down even. And then just let this come to a boil, and it's done. Okay, you guys, it's done. I'm going to show you how I plate up. So if you want to be really accurate, you can, but you're gonna want about 1 cup of noodles. That's 1 serving. I might have 2 of these, but I don't know. This might be pretty big. And then about a ladle, about a cup of the mix. You guys can mix this all together, whatever you would like. About. And then you can mix it all together. And then I also fried up some eggs, which I'm gonna put on top of here. All right, there's my lo mein. This is 6 points per serving, and that's a lot. This plate's pretty big. Let me know if you guys try this. We are going to run to Walmart, aren't we, Jay?
No.
I don't know. I'm probably gonna have a snack, but I'm really full right now, actually. What? Indy says hi. Say hello, Indy. My name's Indy, and I'm pretty. Indy. So yeah, anyways, we're gonna go to Walmart. Our cat literally keeps trying to get in our drawer down here. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can find a lock. But anyways, I don't know if I'm gonna be having anything else to eat. We'll see. I'm pretty full, like I said, but I'm gonna be drinking this Powerade. This has 0 sugar, 0 whatever, and aspartame, so that's perfect. I'll see you guys if I eat anything else. Hi, you guys. We just got back from Walmart.
Take 2 now that she's actually recording.
Yeah, I was recording, talking away, and I wasn't even recording. So anyways, Jason got ice cream. What'd you get?
Ice cream.
What kind of ice cream?
I
got
Vermont ice cream.
Vava Vanilla Almond Crunch. These are not low in points. These are 8 points, you guys. But I think I have 12 points left over. So I have about 12 to 10 points. No, I have 12 points left. So I'm gonna have one of these and then be done eating. I get 37 points a day, so I can easily fit this in. If you guys don't get that many points, they do have lower option ice cream. This is the one Jason got. The Tonight Dough. I love Ben and Jerry's little quotes. And then now we're sticking these. Here, I'll show you. We're gonna stick this on this drawer because our cat knows how to open drawers. You've seen him open that cabinet over there. And he opens this and he takes all of the towels out. He literally knows how to take out, we just filled the drawer with clean towels too, so. Anyways, we're gonna go enjoy our ice cream and then I'm going to take a shower and go to bed. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, night, whatever it may be. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd love to have you stick around. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.